Here I have a sample Word document that is going to become an HTML document later. Word document is and will always act like a word processor. Though it has a lot of new features, it will never become a layout program. That being said, any writer, any document nowadays comes to a designer or a developer in the Word document format. So as you start on a Word document, it is important to understand two things in the Word document. One is the styles, and the next is the way we save the file. Basically, Word gives us a lot of styles built in, and we are only going to use 2 to 3 styles. One being the heading, and the second one being the subtitle, and the third one being the paragraph, and the fourth one being the image tag, and the fifth one being how any other extra tidbits or quotes that you want to create. As Word has built-in styles, we are going to learn how to modify our existing styles and save them as a new style. First, let's focus on a heading style. This is my heading for the document. You can see that I have created this with Adobe Garamond Bold and size number 16, point number 16. I did not choose the font and make it into bold because that's not the way it is displayed when it comes to HTML. So it is better that we select the document and select the appropriate font. Since this is a heading and Word already has a heading, I'm going to choose this. You can see Word has changed the format of the letter, the font being now Calibri, light, and font color blue. Now I click the style and modify, and I go into Adobe Garamond Bold, and I want the color to be black. Remember, we don't want any colors in our first EPUB, so it's better that you choose the automatic, because color document from Word will be printed. They are not suitable for displaying our e-readers. The e-readers have different display things. If you have automatic, then it will show appropriately according to the device. So as I select this, I want the heading to be at the center, so I'm again going to go and make sure it is aligned to the center, and I'm making sure it is add to the style gallery. And for now I'm going to have it only to this document because I don't want to affect my other Word documents. I'm going to click automatically update and press OK. So my heading is set. Now you see that there is already a subtitle. So I'm going to select the area that I want, and then I'm going to apply subtitle. As I apply subtitle, I'm going to make sure the document, the font may not be available in my devices. So I'm going to go with a common font that is available in all the devices is Arial. And then I'm making sure the font size is 11 and the color is automatic. This is my subtitle. And for the paragraph title, I'm going to select it and change it to normal. I'm going to select all the paragraph actually and change it into normal. And as I select the normal, I'm going to modify that. I'm going to select the Arial automatic and 12, and then press OK. For the image, if you right click, it brings in the styles here, and you can pick any style you want. Right now I'm happy with what I have, so I have made the text wrap into square. And now I have one page Word document that I can use. I'm going to save this as a Word document first, and then I'm going to show you. I'm going to copy this paste it again. Let me take this much out. So I can turn this into a quote. Since I want to create my own style, I'm going to use create a style. I'm going to name this personal. And modify. I'm going to make sure it is Times New Roman, and I want it spaced out, I want it centered, and press OK. This I just showed you to see how to create a new style of your own. It is always advisable to have the styles that you want in your HTML document, and then save it as a template to save as a template. And I'm going to call this epub template. Note that it is not necessary that you should have an image in your Word document or HTML documents for now. This will be helpful at the second half of this journey. Now we will see how to save the file. File, save as, and go and save this as web page filtered. And change the name epub 1. And read the instruction and say yes. and now you can see how it is showing in the web page. That being said, let me show you how the file will open in a HTML browser. epub1 HTML, open. It looks the same as in Word, but you can see it is displayed in the web page. Let's click and see page source. You can see the CSS style Word has created and how it has saved everything like a HTML file. And this is how you need to save your file and create your Word file from the beginning, so that you will save time and energy.